Hi everybody, welcome back. It has been a hot minute since I have done a video. I switched jobs a month ago, but it has, I have worked midnights for 4 years, and before that I worked evenings. So I am not used to being a day person, and now I am a day person. I switched my job. I no longer work midnights. I also work Monday through Friday now, and I work banker hours, which is crazy, at a desk. So life is a little bit different for me now, and trying to kind of incorporate how I'm gonna like film and edit and everything else. I'm used to working those 3 days a week, those 12 and a half hour shifts, and then having all that extra time. But it's a little bit different now trying to juggle this. I think I've got a system down pat. I think I'll be good to go. Unfortunately, I've also been I had a bit of a sinus infection in there, so wasn't feeling the best, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Why we're here today is because I'm filming a video, and what am I filming for you? My FaceTory subscription. So FaceTory is a mask subscription service that I absolutely adore. I love, love, love it so much. They've got 3 different kinds of tiers and levels of FaceTory mask subscriptions that you can purchase each month. The one I get is called the Forever Fresh Kit. This one comes with 4 sheet masks, and that's as many masks as I can handle in a month. Down below in the description box, I'll drop all the information, the price on the subscriptions, what you get included, FaceTory's website, so you can go sign up. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a link for you guys so that you can decide which FaceTory is right for you. But without further ado, let's open her up and see what we got. So if you're new here or you've never seen a FaceTory, first off, they're amazing. They're a Korean beauty skincare brand. They're out of California. When they send you your package, like I just stick my hand in here and pick it up, and like everything is going to be in perfect order. So the first thing we see on the front is these cute little postcards that they send you each month. And this month says super fruits for a super you. And it's a legitimate postcard. So you can like actually mail this off to somebody as a sweet little note or whatever. I just think that's adorable. Second thing they do is they include this card here, which has got all of the information about the masks, what they do, what they're good for. I kind of read through a little bit of it so that you kind of get an idea. It also has the price for each mask. I have never talked about that before in a video, but I always have the price scrolling at the bottom. So yes, the price for each mask is included on here. One of the things I absolutely love about FaceTory is, with a lot of subscription services like Ipsy, I want to say the ones that do more indie brand stuff. Not like your Sephora Play. You know where you can find that stuff. But like with Ipsy, you fall in love with a product, then you have no way of purchasing it. How do you get it? How do you find this again? Like sometimes you can buy it on Ipsy's website, but then it just disappears and you can never find that product again. FaceTory sells the masks that they have right on their website, and I absolutely love them. They're amazing. And their social media group is amazing too. Love, love, love it. Can't say enough about it. Again, hashtag not sponsored here, but I do love them. It's one of my favorites, but let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got this month. So the first mask we have up comes from FaceTory's own brand, and this is called the Vitality Firming Mask with pomegranate. Skin need a lift? Let's talk vitality. This firming mask uses antioxidant-rich Punica grantum fruit extract and moisturizing shea butter to turn a tired complexion into a plump, hydrated skin. Next one up, Hello Organic. That is freaking adorable. This packaging's got me like all up in my feels. This is called the One a Day Water Mask Hydrating, and this is a natural and organic facial sheet mask. Nice. Filled with coconut and rose water, this sheet mask will help add water moisture to your skin. It's natural, organic, and vegan. Next up we have here, this is the 24 Miracle. It's another brand that I've not, the Hello Organic and this one I've not received in a FaceTory before, so I can't really kind of speak to the brand per se, but honestly I've not met a sheet mask that I haven't been friends with, so probably good to go. This is the 24 Miracle Vitamin Facial Mask with Whole Lemon. This mask is great for controlling excess oils and hyperpigmentation. Your skin will be left feeling more invigorated and supple. And the last one we have here, this comes from Mashka, and I've liked all of the Mashka masks I've ever received. They make a really good mask. This one is the Dear Avocado, mango, banana, and lavender. Is that a combination or what? This creamy mask is a great option for a relaxing night in. The sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated and smooth as velvet. So that's all the masks that came in our FaceTory kit. This was the October kit, so I'm a little behind on it, but that's okay. I'm really excited about this. I love a mask that says it's gonna firm. This one is just, I had the packaging on it's got me, of course, which, you know, packaging always does that to me. But I do love that it's an organic mask. It's made, the material of the sheet is made out of eucalyptus. So that's really, really nice. The vitamin mask with lemon. Now I know some people can be a little bit sensitive to lemon and citric acid. I'm not. I'm one of those who takes up vitamin C very well in my skin. So I'm really excited to give this a go. It does say how it will help with hyperpigmentation. You know, we're still waiting for melasma to kind of wear off. We'll get there in about December. And then the Dear Avocado with mango, banana, and lavender. I mean, you just like threw a whole concoction of things in there. So I'm really excited to give this one a try. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And of course, as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.